So today I am discussing that chapter exponent and power. This chapter we have little bit concept in class 7. I have taught you in your class. Okay. First of all, a to the power m. Sir, factorization is also left in algebraic expression. Factorization. That chapter, that exercise had not been completed. Okay, which are left? I will solve. Okay, I will solve every topics. No exercise will be left at the end of the year. Okay. At the end of the year, all the exercises will be solved, will be discussed in your class. Okay, just remind me, sir, that chapter, that exercise have not solved. So factorization and the chapter name and exercise number also in Sneha. Also input that exercise number. I will discuss everything. Okay. Exponent and power. Exponent and power. So I will discuss the little bit concept only. I will not solve any question. I will discuss all exponents and yes, exponents and powers. Okay. So a to the power m in a expression, an expression. Okay. So that a is called base and that m is called power. Got it? A is called base and m is called power. Now in this form, how to multiply, how to add, how to divide in that exponent form, in this chapter we will learn. Okay, if I write here that 8 into 4, we can easily say that is 32. Okay, if it is given in that form, how to join, how to multiply it. Okay, so it's an easy formula is there, that is number 1. I hope you can, that portion you can see that portion. Okay, a to the power m. Okay, I am writing here a to the power m into a to the power n. When bases are same, a to the power m and a to the power n, a both in both cases bases are same. Here base is a, next time base is also a, and powers are different. It may be powers are different or same, does not matter. If bases are same, then powers you can add. Okay, that is a to the power m plus n. Okay, so here it will be 2 to the power 2 and 2 bases are same. 2 and 2 bases are same, so you can add 3 plus 2, that is 2 to the power 5. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? So that is multiplication. That is multiplication of exponent form. Now if I divide, that is a to the power m divide a to the power n. Okay, then it will be, in case of multiplication, add. In case of division, you will subtract. Okay, a to the power m minus n. For an example, 5 to the power 9 divided by 5 to the power 8. What you will done? That is 5 to the power, tell me. Yes, 5 to the power bases are same. Just observe, just notice only one thing, that bases should be same, 5 and 5. Powers are maybe same or not. Okay, so 9 minus 8, that is 9 minus 8, that is 5 to the power 1 equal to 5. Got it, everyone? Yes. So that is division. Next time, that number 2. Number 2 I have done. Number 3. Number 3, that a to the power m. A to the power m whole to the power n. A to the power m whole to the power n. What we will have done? That is a to the power m into n. A to the power m into n equal to a to the power mn. E to the power mn. For an example, 2 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 3. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 3. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 3. So that will be 2 to the power 5 into 3 equal to 2 to the power 15. Got it, everyone? 2 to the power, just simple multiplication. Simple multiplication. 2 to the power 15. Okay, that is formula number 3. Now formula number 4. Formula number 4, that is a to the power m by b to the power m. I have written a to the power m by b to the power m. So powers are same but bases are not same. In this case you can express it like a by b whole to the power m. Okay, a by b whole to the power m, you can express it. Okay, next, for an example, it's example 5 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 3. Here you can write it as powers are same, 5 by 7 whole to the power 3. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Quickly. Just opposite. If it is given in this way, that is 7 to the power 3 and 8 to the power 3. Sorry, just opposite, vice versa means that is x to the power x by y whole to the power 3. What you can do here? So that is x to the power 3 by y to the power 3. Okay, you can write it like in x cube by y cube. Got it, everyone? Next, formula number 5. A to the power m into b to the power m. Here bases are different. But powers are same. In this case you can express it ab whole to the power m. Got it, everyone? For an example, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5, and a b means a multiplication b, a into b. So in this case, so 2 into 3 whole to the power 5, that is 6 to the power 5. Got it, everyone? Okay, next, a to the power minus m. I want to remove that minus. Powers, in power one minus is there. So if I want to remove that minus, so you have to write like in this way: a to the power 1 by a to the power m. Got it, everyone? A to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. Okay, next, just another way, 1 by b to the power minus m. I want to remove that minus. Powers, in power I do not want that minus in power. So you can write it like b to the power m. Okay, just opposite. Example, 2 to the power minus 5, it means 1 by 2 to the power 5. 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 equal to 3 to the power 2. Just numerator, it was in denominator. In numerator the sign is changed. Sign of power is changed. Got it? So and last one, a to the power 0. What will you have? a to the power 0 that equal to 1, and the Trijit have mentioned one word that a should not be 0. Yes, a should not be 0. If 0 to the power 0, that is indeterminate form, that is not in your syllabus. Okay, that is not in your syllabus. And something to the power 0, something and that something is not equal to 0, okay, that is equal to that b to the power 0 equal to 1. Anything to the power 0, if like that, 2 into 3 into 11 into 17 into 19 whole to the power 0, what will be the value of that expression? It's easy calculation, that equal to 1, easy calculation that equal to 1. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, so I have discussed the formula only today. In the next class, the next day you have science class. In this class I will discuss the syllabus of PT2, both physics and mathematics. I hope you have enjoyed this class and that formula, which are very much crucial, very much important, and okay. So thank you students, bye.